If you've been considering a Shadowspec umbrella or have purchased a Shadowspec umbrella and want to know a little more about how to assemble it, then this video is for you. I'm Andrew Pullen, CEO from Spa World, and today we're going to assemble a portable freestanding base and explain the process to you. So Shadowspec offer a number of base options for their umbrellas. You can find out more about the various options on the Spa World website. What we're going to be assembling today is their portable freestanding base. The thing we love about this base is it's portable. So if you've got a couple of seating areas outside, you can wheel the umbrella backwards and forwards between the two. So what we're seeing here today is the base frame, very heavy duty galvanized steel. We've got the base cover, which covers all the workings once it's all together. We've got the pavers, which weight the base down. We've got the 316 stainless steel spigot, which is a significant benefit of the Shadowspec umbrellas, the best, most hardy spigot available. This base normally comes with the stationary feet that are height adjustable, but today we're going to be fitting it with the optional casters so that you can wheel it around once it's assembled. All right, so we've turned the galvanized base frame upside down and we're going to fit the casters. So what you need for this stage of the process is an adjustable wrench or crescent wrench, the 4 spigots that come with the casters. The first thing we're going to do is screw the spigots into the threaded section on the base. So now that we've screwed all the spigots in, we're going to just click the casters into place. Like so, easy as that. Okay, so we're going to fit the spigot to the base, extremely heavy duty marine grade stainless steel spigot, which comes with the Serenity and Unity series umbrellas. Important that you fit the spigot before you fill the base with the paving stones, otherwise you can't get your hand underneath to tighten the bolt up. So the spigot just mounts to the plate, put the Allen key through and thread the nut onto the back side and tighten it up. Very easy. All right, now that we've got the spigot attached to the frame, we're going to fit the pavers. Now, 8 400mm pavers, 400 by 50mm pavers, mean that this base ends up weighing 130 kg, so quite a weight in it, which obviously stops it blowing over once the wind gets up a little bit. So just be very careful of fingertips when fitting the pavers. And you can see now why we suggested that the spigot be fitted before the pavers are fitted, because otherwise you're not going to be able to access the bolts underneath. Okay, so now that we've got all 8 pavers in place, we're going to fit the decorative shroud over the top of the spigot, like so. So I hope that was helpful. If you need any more information, check out spaworld.com.au or spaworld.co.nz. Thanks very much.